This short and sweet 3-minute series of Pilates stretches is the perfect thing to refresh and reset during a busy day. I'm Hannah Ray from Clarity Pilates. We'll start reaching the legs and arms out in a star shape, and we're just going to flick the fingers in and out, nice and quickly. This is amazing if you've been spending a lot of time on the computer, which really that's all of us nowadays. And it also resets your energy and gets your blood pumping quickly. Letting that go now, take the arms down, around, and up in some nice big circles. Keeping your abs strong here so you don't lose your balance. We'll reverse those circles 3 more times. Meeting with the arms overhead now, you can hook the thumbs and side bend over for a juicy stretch. We'll just go back and forth here a couple times. If the thumb hook doesn't agree with you, hands on the shoulders is another really great option here, so do whatever version feels best to you. We'll go once more to each side. Meeting in the middle, arms move to the side. We'll twist and drop our pinky finger over to the opposite pinky toe and then come back to the top. We're gonna alternate sides here. And every time you can pulse 1, 2, 3 times to get an extra deep stretch. Make sure that you're really active through the legs here. The abs are still pulling in. So this is a really active stretch here, not a passive one. You're gonna feel like you're working. Once more to each side. Meeting back in the middle, you can hop the legs back together. We're gonna stack the arms and just start to march in place. So bringing the knees up towards the elbows, keeping the posture really tall and trying to plant the feet back in the exact same spot each time. Harder than it sounds. Beautiful. Last thing today, just watch this first one. You're gonna drop the spine down over bent knees. So we're tall at the top, then we drop the head in posture, we swing the body and lift back up. Go ahead and try this now with me if you haven't already. I'll do one more. Lift really tall, press the arms down, and that is it. You are all done, ready to get back to your busy day. Thank you so much for doing this quick workout with me. I hope you feel refreshed and energized. When you have more time, there's a link in the comments down below for my full-length mat classes. I would love to see you there. And if you want to support more free workouts on this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.